This is chapter 1-4, page 1. Vocabulary. A segment is part of a line segment. Part of a line. A segment is part of a line with endpoints. And all the points in between. So this is the symbol for a segment. Looks like a line segment up above. And you can write it as segment AB. This is an endpoint, and this is an endpoint. A ray is a part of a line consisting of one endpoint and all the points of the line on one side of the endpoint. So this is an example of a ray. So it's a line with one endpoint. And whichever one of these is the first letter, so the first letter is your endpoint. So if I do ray YX, the Y is the endpoint, so I would write it as YX with the ray going to the right. It's always to the right. You always draw this line to the right, never to the left. Opposite rays are two collinear rays with the same endpoint. So in this one, RQ, remember again, R has to go first. RQ, so going this direction, and RS going this direction. And again, you draw the arrow to the right, no matter if it's going to the left, are opposite rays. Parallel lines are coplanar lines that do not intersect. And this is the symbol for parallel lines. Two lines straight up and down. Skew lines are non-coplanar. Lines that do not intersect. Two non-coplanar lines that do not intersect. So they won't be in the same plane. So for example here, AB and EF are parallel. AB is parallel to EF. AB and CG are skew. So this is an example of skew. AB goes this direction, CG goes up and down, and those two will never touch one another. Another example might be AB and DH. Another example might be BF, so you don't think it's always AB. BF going up and down, and DC in the back. Parallel planes are planes that do not intersect. So, for example, on this one, plane ABCD, ABCD. So this plane here is in the front, right? So the plane that's in the back, GHIJ. Our plane are parallel. All right, name segments and rays. Name the segment and rays in the figure. Okay. BA, ray BA. So that means I'm starting with endpoint B and going out through A. And BC, again, I'm starting at B and going through C. So in rays is the only one that's really, really important. The first letter is your endpoint. All right. On this next one over here, we have to name line segments. So AB could be a line segment. AB, BC could be a line segment. So once again, AB and BA are the same line segment. And BC and CB are the same line segment.